Good morning, everyone. My name is Pushpanjali Pandey. I am a student of JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today, I am presenting the topic Hybrid Seed Production of Tomato under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Introduction. Area of hybrid tomato cultivation. Tomato plants are native to South America. The country is the second largest producer after China. It produces around 11% of the total production of tomato in the world. Indian states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, West Bengal, along with Bihar, are the major producers of tomatoes. Out of all the states, AP is the largest tomato producing state in India. Botanical description. Scientific name Lycopersicum esculentus. Order Solanale. Family Solanaceae. Tomato is a typical day neutral plant. It requires temperature of 15 to 20 degree for fruit setting. Floral biology of tomato. Chromosome number 2n24. Flowers are hermaphrodite. Anthesis 6 to 10 am. Stigma receptivity 1 day before to 1 day after anthesis. Land requirement. The land selected should be free of volunteer plants. The soil of selected field should have good texture, fertile and well drained. Ideal pH of soil is to be 6 to 7. Isolation requirement. The minimum isolation distance between different cultivars of tomato for seed production is short because of the crop's high level of self-pollination. The minimum recommended isolation distance is to be 30 to 200 meter is maintained. Brief cultural practices are tomato of sowing, time of sowing, June to August, November, December. Preparation of land. Prepare the field for transplanting to a fine tilth by plugging and 3 to 4 harrowing followed by leveling. Source of seed. Seed should be obtained from nucleus breeders foundation seeds from source approved by seed certification agency. Seed rate for F1 hybrid male parent 25 gram per hectare, for female parent 100 gram per hectare. Transplanting ratio male to female 1:4. Sowing of seed in nursery. Sown on tomato should be sown on raised nursery bed 15 to 20 cm high in rows 3 to 4 cm apart. Thin sowing should be done to avoid damping of disease. Transplanting should be done with the seedlings are 20 to 25 days old, preferably at evening time. Spacing should be 16 into 45 cm. Male parents hybrid 60 to 45 cm. Female parents hybrid 90 into 60 cm. Fertilization 25 ton per hectare well rotted FYM at the time of land preparation. 550 kg SSP 150 kg can per hectare in 2 basal doses. One at 50 to 20 day after. Second at flowering time for final preparation of field. Irrigation fortnightly during winter, weekly during summer. Emasculation and dusting. Emasculation is done before the anther are mature and the stigma has become receptive to minimize accidental self-pollination. Thus, emasculation is generally done in the evening between 4 to 6 pm, one day before the anther expected to decease and the stigma is likely to become full receptive. Emasculate the bud by hand with the help of needle and forceps. Remove the calyx, corolla and staminal column, leaving the gynoecium. Emasculated flowers should be covered immediately with red color paper to protect against contamination from foreign pollen for easy identification of emasculated bud. After the dusting, emasculated flowers are again covered with white paper for 2 to 3 days. Pollen collected from one flower can be used for dusting 5 to 7 emasculated flower. Then pollination. When corolla of emasculated flower becomes deep yellow, dip the stigma in pollen tube. After their harvesting, Seed fruits are allowed to ripen to maturity on the plants. Only completely colored and matured seeds fruits are harvested. The mark of two sepal cut off should be checked carefully to ensure that only pollinated fruits are harvested. These are the stages of maturation. For the first stage is mature green, after that breaker stage, turning pink, and at last red color of the tomato. Some hybrid varieties of tomatoes are Koth 1, Pant Hybrid 10, Arka Vishal, Pusa Sadabahar, Pan 3681, Pusa Hybrid 14, Pant Hybrid 2, Pan 360, Arka Shrestha. Here are some pictures of fruit containing hybrid seeds and right stage of fruit maturity for harvesting. Then methods of extraction of seeds. Fruit from in between 6 to 7 harvests should be used for seed extraction. Before seed extraction, fruits are to be graded for true to type. It is important to choose proper method of seed extraction as it impacts on seed viability. There are three methods of seed extraction. First is acid method of seed extraction, second is fermentation method, and at last third is alkali method. At last, the drying, grading and storage. Shade drying, never be dried in hot sun directly. Bring moisture 8 to 9%. Store the dried seed with after treating with either Kaptan or Thiram at the rate 2 grams per kg. Then certification of seed. Number of inspection. A number of 3 inspections shall be as follows. First inspection before flowering in order to verify isolation, volunteer plants and other relevant factors. Second inspection during flowering to check off types. Third inspection at maturity and prior to harvest to verify true nature of plants. Thank you so much.